What happens to your body when you eat eggs for 30 days? 1. Intake of protein should be increased. A large egg has roughly 6 grams of protein, making it a fantastic source of this nutrient. Your body converts the protein in eggs into amino acids, which are then utilized to create and repair tissues all over your body. Additionally, protein makes you feel fuller for longer, which can help you consume fewer calories overall and keep a healthy weight. 2. Improves brain function. Eggs are a good source of choline, a vitamin that is significant for brain health and improved brain performance. Acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter important in memory and learning, is created from choline. Increased choline consumption has been shown in studies to enhance cognitive performance and lower the risk of age-related cognitive decline. 3. Eggs can reduce inflammation. Lutein and sexanthin are 2 antioxidants found in eggs that may aid to lessen inflammation in the body. Numerous chronic diseases, such as diabetes, cancer, and heart disease, are associated with inflammation. By consuming eggs, you can lessen inflammation and enhance your general health. 4. Increased muscle growth. Lucine, an amino acid that is essential for both muscle growth and repair, is another amino acid that eggs are a great source of. Lucine, a component of eggs, is utilized to promote muscle protein synthesis, which can aid in muscle growth and maintenance. 5. Increased vitamin and mineral intake. Eggs are a great source of selenium, vitamin D, and other vital nutrients. While vitamin B12 is necessary for nerve function and the production of red blood cells, vitamin D is crucial for immune system and bone health. Strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of selenium can help prevent oxidative stress.